Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I'm doing the November 2022 CurlBox unboxing. So if you'd like to see what's in November's CurlBox, just keep watching. So the first thing I see is this spray bottle. Looks like a Mr. spray bottle. It is. Something sprayed out of it. Okay. Anyway, it says on Jackie's Curls and Coils. I already know what's in this curl box because it was all over social media, so it's not really a surprise to me this month, but I am interested in trying these items. Here's the curl box. So it says CurlBox, the Boost Box, November 2022. I'll read what each item is and says, so first is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. It says it has maximum moisture and definition, and it's for finished styles that are soft to the touch, no caking or flaking. The next item is the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. It's lightweight and frizz busting. It leaves hair smooth, shiny, hydrated, and defined, and can be used with flexi rod, perm rod sets, braids, twist outs, or wash and goes. Next is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. It has long-lasting moisture, hold, and definition to achieve any style. It says to avoid flaking when styling, use either the Don't Shrink Gel or the Curl La La Custard. So I've used this before and I think I really did like it. I just did not film it and I think it gave me a really long wash and go. So I'm interested in trying it again to see how it works out. Next is Not on My Watch. It says it's a powerful instant detangler with silky slip. It melts the tangles and prevents breakage. Has healthy balanced moisture to prep for styling. I am interested in trying this also. And last but not least is a Elixir Essentials Hair and Scalp Oil. The one I got is the Saw Palmetto Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Grapeseed Oil Elixir. This is actually the one I would have wanted if I had to choose. And this one says it improves hair strength, shine, and volume. It is a revitalizing spot treatment for thinning areas and edges. It supports thicker and fuller hair density. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil is rich in protein, minerals, and vitamin E. And the grapeseed oil works as a natural sealant to keep moisture and shine in the hair follicle. There are two other ones. Other people may have gotten the Collagen, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus elixir, or the Biotin, rosemary, and mint elixir. So if you got the CurlBox this month, let me know which one you got out of the oils, because everything else, we all got the same except for the oils. It looks like they sent us a silk scarf bonnet. I'm going to open it right now, because I do have another one from Aunt Jackie's. It might have been from a previous CurlBox or Curl subscription box. And this one is really pretty. The one I have is blue and I use it all the time. This is really big and pretty. I love this. Let me show you my blue one. I just washed it. So this is the one that I already have. I just washed it so I knew exactly where it was. But this is really convenient for me. I use it all the time. So to have another one is just even better. Thanks for unboxing this month's CurlBox with me. Let me know down below if you got CurlBox, or if you're interested in signing up for the CurlBox. If you'd like to see my other unboxings, click right here. And if you'd like to see my last favorite wash and go, click right here. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.